Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today it's time to announce the winner of my 100 subscriber giveaway. And the winner is... The winner is Jima the Housewife. So please email me using my email that's in the description box down below and let me know your address so that I can ship to you your prize. And as promised in my original video, I'm going to show you the completed car kit that you will be receiving. So I showed the tote bag, and then these are the 3 collapsible shopping bags that you will be getting. They're in 2 blue colors and a black color, and they are on this carabiner that you can hook onto the bag. And I will leave a link for these types of bags below. They don't have the exact ones I showed in my other video that were red with the polka dots, but they do have a variety of colors available. So those are going to be part of it. And then I decided it would be handy to have a little notepad and pen in case you need to jot things down while you're in your car. And then we get to the bags. I also made these little labels for the bags because these are more of a fabric bag. The ones that I had in my car kit, they were plasticky, so labels would stick to them. So I made these little labels. If you'd like to see how I made them, let me know in the comments down below and I can do a video on that. I have also made similar ones for my travel pouches, and I'm going to be doing a pack with me for an upcoming vacation that I have planned because I'm trying to do it all with just a carry-on bag. So this one is your dental care bag, and in here I have a little dental floss as well as the toothbrush kit that I showed in a recent Dollar Tree haul. And then I have another little bag, and this little bag has the label doesn't want to say, has the first aid kit in it, and so it's in this little plastic container. And then there's a couple bigger bags. This first one has clothing care, and it has a little sewing kit and some shout wipes and a lint roller. And then the next bag has personal care, and in the personal care I put some lip balm, I put a little nail kit, I put a little small deodorant, and I put a antiseptic, what do you call this? Hand sanitizer. I did not put any feminine products in there. You can feel free to add those in there yourself, because I wasn't sure who would be participating. And then the last bag I have is this car care, and in it I put some microfiber cloths, and then I put an empty spray bottle, so you can put whatever type of cleaner you like to use for your car, whether you want to use an all-purpose cleaner or like a window cleaner or the anti-fog type cleaner I had in mind. And then I have a couple more items. I have a little pack of facial tissues, and then I saw this in the store and I thought this could be handy if you ever have to like change a tire or do something outside of your car and it's raining, a little rain poncho. And I think that is everything. Yep, that's it. So congratulations again to the winner, and I appreciate all of you subscribers, and I'm really looking forward to continuing to have my channel grow and to continue bringing you content. Please let me know in the comments down below what your favorite types of videos are so that I can plan out more of that sort of content. Thanks again for subscribing and again for tuning in. And if this is your first video and you're new to my channel, I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below. See you next time. Bye-bye.